In this video, you are going to see how to put a border around a text in header in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Header, click on Edit Header. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Go to Shape Outline, you can change the outline color from here very easily. Go to Shape Outline, you can increase or decrease the white. Now click on the shape, click on right button and click on Add Text. Go to Home and change the font color to black. And let us add the text here. If you want, you may make it in the center. You can increase or decrease the font size, and you can change the font color from here very easily and click on outside. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.